Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save live videos to archive on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you come to archiving and downloading. So you want to select that. And once you're on here, you should see Save Live to Archive. And this just means automatically save your live video to your archive. Only you can see your archive. Live videos are archived for 30 days. So if you're happy with all that, just obviously toggle that on. And that's how you can save live videos to your archive. Thanks for watching.